Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So my good friend Lindsay owns Erin Lane bags, and this is not an advertisement for her. She doesn't know that I am doing this video, but she had a sale the other day, maybe 2 weeks ago, of all of her extra bags, her crochet and knit bags that were kind of in a grab bag option. So I have no idea what I'm getting. I just know that I'm getting a great quality bag because I have several of her bags anyway, and I thought it might be fun to unbox my purchase with you today. So I have no idea what's in this bag. So apparently she just moved into a bigger studio office space to create her bags, and she found a bin of products that were not labeled, and instead of like photographing them and putting them on the website, she just sold the lot as a first come first serve. And so I ordered 3. So there's 3 things in here. I'm not sure what they are, so let's look together. Okay, so I cut the bag, but I didn't get the address out of there. I haven't looked in it yet. So, ooh, I love green. Oh, I love green. Oh, look how pretty. Okay, so this first bag, let's see. So it's got her little label here, and these are all hand sewn, handmade drawstring bags. This has sheeple fabric, machine wash cold and gentle. So it's a great color of green. I love the color green. So this bag normally retails for $22. Let's see, here's my Tunisian hook, so it would be great for a Tunisian project. It's got a drawstring, it's plain on the other side. Look at this little beautiful gusset with the ribbon. So her bags are known for having this drawstring closure, which is awesome for not getting your yarn caught in a zipper. And this is a great size bag. So I'm very happy. Look how shiny that applique is. So that's the bag number 1. Awesome. Thank you, Lindsay. Okay, so let's see what bag number 2 is. Ooh, black. Oh, it's bugs. It's bugs. Very pretty. I don't know that I've ever seen bugs so pretty before. Look at that. I love that fabric. Okay, so another drawstring bag, another lined with cream, which will be really nice and easy to see when you look inside to find your hooks and notions at the bottom. It's the same size bag. I don't remember when I ordered 3 of whatever, like if I ordered like big bags or medium bags or whatever, but so this bug bag is super cute, and the kind of gold highlights are really pretty. I like it, and it matches her little name tag here. So Erin Lane. So Erin Lane bags is what Lindsay owns. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so here's the last bag in the bunch. This is the last piece in the package. Oh, it's another sheeple. Ooh, this one's got a gusset at the bottom. Okay. So this bag is a different shape. It's got a gusset at the bottom, which means it's going to stand up if I open it. There's a divider inside. That's going to be super convenient because then you could put like 2 colors, one on each side of the divider. You could put your notions on this side and your yarn on that side. And I love the so the gusset at the bottom, so the bag will actually sit up, especially when it's got stuff in it. But this bag, this little tag here, I have seen other people take this kind of bag on airplanes, and you can use this little tag to hang the bag to the seat in front of you, like with the little tray table knob or whatever, or you could hang this bag somewhere so that you can work from it. So if it's sitting on the floor next to you, you might be able to put this around the rail of your chair or something, depending on. But so cute, so cute. And the little sheeple, look, he's surfing. So she makes a lot of her own prints. She designs her own prints and then has the fabrics made. And this is her little like sheeple logo. And it says 2020, I guess that's 2020. I guess that's considered 2020. 2021. I can't tell. You probably can't see it on the on the camera anyway, but very, very pretty. And I'm excited. I love this color too. And I love the divider, and I love the gusset at the bottom, and I love the hang tab here in case you want to. Oh, this would also be great for crocheting in the car. If you're a passenger in the car, you might be able to hang this bag, hang the tab in like the glove box around to hang it so that you could shut it into the glove box and have the bag hang in front of you as you are riding in the car. So thank you, Lindsay from Erin Lane Bags. This is not sponsored. I have many of her bags, but I just thought it would be fun to open up and see what my surprise purchases were, because I knew I had purchased 3 bags from the random lots that she had, and so I didn't know exactly what I was getting, but I'm very pleased. So go check out Erin Lane Bags for knitting and crocheting bags and all sorts of different styles and shapes. I know she has little ones, I know she has big ones, so go give it a look. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye. So if you liked this video, here's another one that's similar that you might also enjoy. And here is the video, the last video that was uploaded in case you missed it. Everyone, please like and subscribe.